Alright. Hindi ko na vinidyohan yung Jurassic Park na sinakyan natin because my memory is almost full. Puno na yung memory ko. So, look, sobrang basa. Yung pag-landing, pag-descend ng roller coaster ng train, boat. Grabe. Na ako, parang naligo na rin ako dito eh. Okay, anyways, so this is the Japan that we really enjoyed. We really enjoyed Japan compared to 2 years ago, no? What? Si Taylor umiyak. Okay? You cry. Sobrang dapat. Takot ba? Hindi naman. So the next batch will ride. The next batch will ride the boat. Right. Oo, yan no, nabasa rin sila. The other batch. Oh, super high. You know, when we go to Tokyo Disneyland, we're gonna take again the Frozen. If it's open na sa Tokyo. Wow. Partnership pala ng Jurassic Park, Frozen, no? Alright, so we're going to eat a ham. So this is what I love, our memories in Universal Studios. Yeah, nabasa no, Malcolm, it wet. You want to buy toy? There's a toy there. Going to a Jaws restaurant.
Napaka-warm na nito. Nakita mo balot na balot.
Mami, learn experience is better. Mama, unang-una matatakot ka. Later, magugustuhan mo na, Mama. I'm good, always remember that. So, what do you like to eat?
Food.
Okay, any food, whatever is there.
Yabang mo po, mahaba yung jacket mo.
Grabe. Kenny Roger.
Yung babae, natawa sa akin eh.
Kaya nga. Ano nangyari sa'yo?
The woman laughed.
Nasaan ba tayo?
Like to eat.
Umilag ako. Hindi, umilag ako. Hindi na sa kasalanan. Mati, who's in this? The one, the last one. First, right?
Yeah.
Just an intense one.
Ano grip eh?
Wala na yan.
Okay. So we're going to walk here. Ano? One more ride? Guys, one more ride? I think if you want one more ride, oh, I think we have to go to a one more ride. Roller. Oh, flying dinosaur. Nako. I don't like that. Flying dinosaur is by the roller coaster. By right. Show this to Achi Alicia. Alright. I'm gonna install Messenger na rin mamaya. So, again by pasalubong kayo later. Alright. So where are we going to eat? Alright, so I'll end the video for now first. And thank you for watching.